Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to start cleaning with your Roomba Combo Essential 2 using your phone device. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our iRobot app and make sure that our Roomba is connected to the app. And then the next thing we're going to do is find these two sections right here where you have vacuum and mop everywhere and vacuum everywhere. And we can select one of these, so I'm going to select vacuum everywhere. And as you can hear, the Roomba played the sound and it will start cleaning. And you can also pause the process using your phone by let me just start by pressing this pause button right here. As you can see, it has paused. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.